What's going on, guys? Today in this video we're going to be putting a Pro Circuit header on the 2024 KTM 125. We're also going to put on some Vforce 4X reeds. Pretty hyped, pretty excited to do this. It's a really snowy day. We have 14 inches of snow coming down, maybe even more. So I figured why not do it right now? It's a perfect time. Here's the pipe, here's the reeds. I'm gonna throw on these fresh donuts as well. Alright, I just got the bike moved right here in the center so that I could work on it. Looks like we have these two little springs we have to take off first. Move down this bolt right here and disconnect it from the shorty. So this bike right now, stock header with a Pro Circuit shorty, sounds super good. But obviously, you guys know I had to get the header to match as well. And of course, it had to be the works pipe. Thing works pretty mint. I think I got these at Harbor Freight. They're stupid cheap too. Just like that. Comes off easy. Now that we are in here and we can see the engine without the pipe on, I'm just gonna take some degreaser, some cleaner, and clean up this area. Just to make sure everything is all clean. Gonna take some of that engine degreaser, gunk. I use this stuff a lot. Probably what would be ideal to power wash it, but whatever. Alright, so first things first, for the reeds, we're gonna have to pop off this clamp. So I'm just gonna use a flathead to get that off. Now I think I want to say that we have to start taking off these bolts for the reeds. So go 1, 2, and then do the other 2 on the other side. Let's tighten them. Alright, so we have all the bolts off the reeds. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take off this intake boot, which is not a problem. We'll make it a little bit easier to take out the reeds. All right, so we get the stock, not stock. All right, I just got this lined up with the intake boot right there. I just kind of had to shimmy it and push it in while I rotate this back straight, so how it's supposed to be. So now I gotta slide this gasket in between the two, and then we're good to tighten everything back up. That's sitting in there nice. That's gonna pretty much conclude today's video. Looks super sick. I get the header no matter what, and I always get reads on all my bikes, so it's kind of what I just always do. If you guys like these type of videos, install videos, dirt bike videos, or just like watching my YouTube channel in general, leave a comment, subscribe.